It's been a busy day at the shop, Tool Views. Today, I'm going to remind you about AvalonKing's Armor 9, and we're going to try it on a windshield.
All right, so AvalonKing sent us a ceramic coating. We put it on a boat a while back, but we're thinking maybe the Shield 9, Armor Shield 9, might be good on a windshield. So we're going to give that a shot. So Herbert decided to get off that big boat and do something non-productive today, but it's going to be fun. And he's taking a long trip down to California, so I want to make sure that he's got good visibility while he's down there. So let's go. What are you waiting for? Jeez.
I have no idea.
Load up that applicator. What was it you liked about that bottle again?
Oh, it's really cool actually. I like it.
Okay.
Stupid.
Carry on.
Cool.
Carry on. So a nice thick coat to begin with, and then we'll push this around and spread it out. And if it starts getting a little bit thin, we might add a little bit more to the applicator. Herbert's going to basically just try to cover this all the way down until it starts getting too thin to spread out, and then he might apply a little bit more. Back and forth, top and bottom. Do your little patterns just to make sure you've covered everything. It's a good little section. It's going on pretty easy?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So far so good.
All right.
Never done this before.
I'm actually surprised you haven't done a ceramic coating here.
Me either. Oh, I mean, I am surprised. So.
There you go. Now the manufacturer says that this coating should last about 2 years on a car, maybe even a new boat. You might get a little bit less time with that on a windshield, only because if you're in a place like Washington, which we are, it tends to rain every once in a while. So you're using your wipers a lot, and unless your wipers are absolutely clean and hermetically sealed before you've turned them on, you're going to be scraping some dirt and some debris across your windshield, which will eventually start to break down this silica dioxide top coat. But if it helps water bead up for the first couple months, I mean, that's cool too. And if it lasts a year, well, that'll be really amazing. Nice job.
Thank you. There goes the sun.
There goes the sun.
Well.
All right, guys. So this is what it's called, the iridescent flash. That's what people are looking for when they're applying a ceramic coating. When you see this, it's time to start buffing it off. So that's what I'm going to do next. Actually, you know what? It's not my car. I'm going to have Herbert do it. Go circles. Coming off nice?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Not sticky? Not tacky?
No, it's not.
Okay. There you go.
Actually coming off pretty easy.
Yeah, I found it pretty easy on the boat. Okay, there's a little high spot right in there. There you go. Nailed it. And whenever doing a ceramic, you just got to move your head around. Get as many angles as you can to catch the light that you're working with so that you can make sure that you've gotten all of it off the surface before it completely dries into a diamond-like lattice, in which case you'd have it sitting on your car for quite a while, unless you decided to buff it off with a rubbing compound, which would be the next step.
Why? Why you say this?
I'm pretty sure you're going to try to test this before the 24-hour period.
Well, Avalon did say
24 hours. You just be good. Unless you want to let the car sit in the sun for a while, you might be able to cure a little bit faster, but you should at least give it a day before you start testing it.
I thought, I was gonna do it right when you turned around, but it's okay.
I have a feeling you still might. Whippersnapper. Oh, look at the shine on that. Almost looks like glass. Oh,
Whoa.
not bad. That is glass. I'm so used to doing boats, I don't expect a shine. How's it feel?
Feels the same. Feels like glass.
Okay. Smooth, clean?
Yeah, feels smooth. Clean. I'm knows about that one.
All right, man. There you go. Let's see when you come back from California how you liked it.
All right.
And when Herbert comes back, if he comes back, we can all see how it held up.